Hello and welcome to Verbal to Visual. My name is Doug Neill, and for the past 5 years, I've been making YouTube videos about sketchnoting. I started out just using my phone and sketching things on index cards. Then I got a camera and started doing larger sketches. And over the years, I've continued to experiment with different formats for these videos, as I've also continued to build my sketchnoting skills and share lessons about sketchnoting that I hope that you found to be useful. And throughout that journey over the past 5 years, my interest in making videos and my interest in sketchnoting has only grown. And no matter how long you've been following along here, I hope that you've enjoyed your journey with sketchnoting as you've been building your skills and applying those skills to work that you care about. And that's what Verbal to Visual's Patreon is all about. I've set up that Patreon as a way for you to support the videos that I create here, but also as a place to share bonus resources to help you take action on the ideas that I share in each of these videos. So let me lay out for you what's going on over there and outline the different perks that you will get if you choose to support what I'm doing here. I've set up a pretty simple model here for those of you who would like to become patrons of this channel. Rather than setting up tiers where you can support a certain amount each month, I've chosen to go with a per video approach because I want the level of your support to correspond with the actual number of videos that I make in any given month. And there are just 3 tiers. There's a $1 per video tier where I will be sharing some bonus downloads with you. Within that first tier, I share a full PDF transcript of each video that includes embedded images. My hope is that that's a useful resource for you if you want to revisit a particular video, find maybe a certain section of it, remind yourself of some of the ideas without having to watch the full video again. That's also where I'm sharing high quality images of the final sketch notes that I share in the video, and when appropriate, templates that you can either print out or throw into your tablet to use in your next sketchnoting session. At that second tier, I let you know how the creation process went for each video. Sometimes I go with an overhead camera and pen and paper approach. Other times, like this, I'll use a tablet. But in either case, I try to follow the 1% rule. With each new creation, I try to make it a little bit better than the last one. And it's here that I tell you the story about what I tried to improve upon and how that went. So if you also are interested in making videos like these or using sketchnoting as a presentation tool, I think you'll enjoy what I share at that tier. And then in that third tier is a monthly opportunity for you to ask any question that you have about sketchnoting. You can let us know about the work that you're up to, the current challenge that you might be facing, so that I and other patrons can provide some suggestions that hopefully will get you over whatever hump you're currently facing. And as you think about which tier of support feels like the best fit for you, keep in mind that if you choose the second or third tier, you also get access to the perks of the previous tiers as well. So if you've been enjoying these YouTube videos and want to support the creation of more of them, and also want a bit of support yourself as you follow up on the ideas that I share in each video, then do consider becoming a patron. I think you'll enjoy the resources and the conversations that take place there. Thanks so much for following along here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then.